Washing hands.
Hope's playing her game. I got my new Pepsi hat on. And we're listening to the Grateful Dead.
I got my new shirt on.
It's a good morning.
I think all these white vines that are growing up, all these trees, are star jasmine. It's got a real perfumey scent that goes into kind of like something you would put in your washing machine or something to make your clothes smell good. But this year, I've never seen it bloom so much. Woohoo, butterfly on the neck, that freaked me out. Sorry, people. But it's all the way up in the pine. It's all over in here. Oof, stepped in a hole. New knee work though, I didn't fall down. But look, it's all down. And then there's the sphagnum moss growing up in the southern tree. Birds are chirping, cicadas are going. It's nice, just warm enough with a little teeny cool breeze. Hopefully we won't be as hot as yesterday. Big in the south. Look at the base of those two trees. This one and the one in the back. All the way up. And when we talk about widowmakers on Michigan, that's one heck of one hanging down there. Whew. There's that bird. Oh, there they are. There's the rest of them. See them all? Those are all turkey buzzards. You got a roost somewhere.
This is beautiful. This place. Beautiful. Look at this. They're the only ones here.
Those trees over there, cypresses are growing. You wouldn't know you were in North Carolina. I bet you people come down here and fish. There's a lot of people in the campground that got boats that leave early in the morning. They're gone all day. You wouldn't know this is salt water, or knowing that those trees over there, cypresses, are growing. You wouldn't know you were in North Carolina. Liz having a blast like she does on Drummond, running around playing in the sand and the water.
Who would have thunk it?
Yeah. Bushes here. These are called beauty berry. They're really beautiful. All year it's just the green, and then about this time frame into the fall, you got the beauty berry that blooms. I've taken a couple out of the woods and planted in one of our bed gardens for flowers.
Good girl.
Cicadas are loud. They're up in the trees. But not as loud as people's generators running.
Okay, this is our first time using the Hike Crew propane water heater and shower pump. This thing. Just put it together. We got 5 gallons right there. Okay, a little about this thing though. It's got a 400 milliamp hour battery in it, so it can actually run for 1.6 hours without having to plug it in. It comes with a 12 volt and it comes with 110. So yeah. Other thing, this cable here is 6 feet long, but the electrical cord for it is 7 feet and it wraps around it. Really nice. This is about 7 feet as well. On. We turn the pump on. You can probably hear it. And here we go. Gonna fill this bucket up, do our laundry. Not laundry, our dishes. That is kicked on, 100 degrees. You warm?
Yeah.
You good?
Yep. It's like, let's start to heat up now. It was light, like you would put a baby in at first, light warm. Now it's getting warm.
Yeah. It is at 104. We've got it in the middle right now. You can go all the way to the right and it'll be like 122 degrees. This shower nozzle comes with that view there and that one.
Yeah, someone tiny on the back.
Good. Okay, so that's it right there. All its glory. You can throw this in any river or stream. Now we got this for a couple reasons. One, we've got a bubble heater system in the van, so you gotta fire up the diesel heater to make hot water. The second way we got is a 12-volt immersion heater. So you gotta have good electricity that day, good sunlight, because it uses a whole bunch. Third method was just getting a pot, filling it with water and boiling it on the stove. But this can go anywhere. We can use it inside the van, inside the shower, instant hot water, perfect. Outside shower, behind the van, good. And literally it is instant hot water. I was playing some Rob Zombie and looked down and this little fella was head banging to the music. It's kind of cute. We had a brilliant couple days at this campsite. Highly recommend it to everybody.
That is tobacco back there. And right here, all tobacco. Another one. This is the town of Trenton.